Hi guys, introduce myself. My name is Rini. Will name C1I024004. Your 3-step guide to setting better boundaries. I am a job that is top help people create healthy relationship, and let me tell you, be really help to tell someone what you need. It takes a lot of scope to stand up and say, this is the way to want to be treated. Most of us aren't the great at policing. The people in our livings, what makes us feel respect and flat. It's true with friend, family, partner, and it's also true at work. You have the good set family, healthy boundaries. Boundaries can be an intimidation term, but the idea is simply the expectation and help that you have us feel safe and compatibly in relationship. What is the relationship we spend the most time in, and you? It's also the place so hard you have to hard time setting limits. Here we scare the people one see as a team player. All employers have boundaries, but in let them your workday begins and how many vacation day you can have, but work boundaries need to be a two-way street. Boundaries for your employer and boundaries for you. Setting the health can help you feel happier and more fulfilled in your life. Not to mention less efficiency and every life our work. Have often assume the old people have the same rules for illness as we do. We think they can tell you reference and know our feelings from our body language, but no one, not the people you have known for your and company, not you chauffeurs, can really your mean. You have to especially study communication what word for us to on of the windows, then we can do this short time discomfort. It's so worth it for the long term as of living healthier boundaries. In the workplace, here are 3 steps to help you get straight. Step 2, identify the boundaries you need to set. There are so many different skills. For example, you can tell you skillet what hurt you are and errands available to work. You can say that you need to likely to frequently at if to pick up your scan of that you out of only on the weakness do really research. You can tell time how you prefer to communication that you enjoy. Talking while you phone participant instant waiting for existing. Especially with your boss, you can set boundaries or how you leave feedback. You can say I want this with clear the list. Can you please set one? Step 2. Think about how and him to make the step. Boundaries are like the classroom rules. You want to set them as early as possible. People do it all the time in the job. Seeking praise to help myself, something like a vacation plan for this that I will be able to take my vacation if I can go in through any work in fully. People are ready convey what we can and can be that a beautiful way to show up. If the feelings of too much orientation can be a great time to set boundaries. When your supervisor tell you lock day and at sick, just flow in the feedback and need to have a sick and boundaries. I want to you what a sick. On boundary I want to set right over to take every single day of vacation. You feel a net, it's you need the rest and resting is good for like. And by the way, it's exactly it to set boundaries for yourself. When you know something in the world is making you feel good. So if you get a headache when you hit meeting in a day, tell yourself the fall will be your maximum. If you get let's for the emails on Monday morning. Don't do that first thing. Break it officially injury is the it day. I have set of boundaries or my word for me. I like working in 30-minute chunks. I don't like answer every email as soon as I get it. I like setting with you information before I respond. You have to set in message. There's no rabbits and fresh that will make you feel at ease and know from the most important part of the project. Step 3. Stick to me boundaries you set. If you say you're not available after say, I don't respond to the group. If you say you're not available on weakness, don't be available on weakness. When you respond to email or agree to look at that propose out of the not the most. Your teach people that the boundaries is to feel that it's okay to evaluate. Considering it's really cadre. That mind mean restoring let boundaries more than one. That means man refunding yourself what you set the boundaries in the first place. Setting boundaries is hard at first, but the more you do it, the easier the next boundaries are configured and you step the sequentially implement them of 3 will too. You might be the inspiration that help me to set boundaries, and if they don't have the scar neck, now it how do the back of their mean.